Dating back to the old history as the discovery of fire, chemistry has contributed to the development and life quality of humankind for centuries. A mixture of colours, the harmony of fragrance, foundations of structures, many things we touch, many inventions we're taking advantage of have emerged with the chemistry, and the life itself has been identified with the chemistry science. Enabling sustaining vitality, the chemistry has currently become an important part of our lives in many areas, ranging from agriculture, food, health and medicine, to energy construction industry and many other fields. Starting with the hardware, ironmongery and technical hand tools in Turkey in 1987, commercial activities have turned into the construction chemical sector, with the facility in Istanbul, Hadimköy facility in the 2000s. The chemistry has reformed with the new and modern facilities put into service in 2006 and 2009. An organisation constructing the heritage of history into the future. SOMA KIMYA. Complying with discipline and quality standards, SOMA KIMYA closely follows up the technology and manufactures of its products in a manner that shall offer high-quality solutions to the needs of the consumer with state-of-the-art methods. In 3 separate manufacturing facilities, consisting of 55,000 square meter indoor area, aerosol polyurethane foams, silicones, putties, hybrid products, industrial aerosol sprays, general-purpose adhesives and hot metal glue sticks are manufactured. Reaching more than 200 kinds of wide range of products. With its own formulations and the brands it has created, the company achieves to reach the world standards with the product quality and prioritize the user satisfaction. R&D team moves the existing quality further, accompanied by scientific and technological developments. In this way, SOMA KIMYA turns into a world brand manufacturing in construction chemicals. Offering impeccable and continual service to the needs of its customers in the field of construction chemicals with the technology and automation investments in line with innovation and sustainability, the company becomes the solution center of the strong and safe structures and builds the future in the construction industry. The construction industry is growing day by day, in parallel with the increasing populations and requirements throughout the world. The need for building chemicals in the construction industry, in line with this development, shows steady growth. Manufacturer of construction chemicals, SOMA KIMYA responds to all construction and installation needs of the construction industry with the innovative and strong products and contributes to the life quality. Occupational safety is primarily taken as a basis in all activities performed. New career opportunities are offered by adding value and strength to personnel, while showing an ultimate attention to be a solution center of strong and safe structures with all requested global and local quality certificates. It's acted with an environmentalist mission without devastating the nature throughout all manufacturing processes. Addressing all requirements and consumer groups with top quality products and a wide range of product diversities in the world-class standards, SOMA KIMYA is expanding to the world and exports to 7 continents and nearly 60 countries. Turning into a global brand by offering top quality, innovative and reliable products to the needs in the sector of Turkey and the world, SOMA KIMYA will continue to be a solution center of strong and safe structures. SOMA KIMYA. We build with exceptional quality.